Hey everyone, Justin Fox with Henny. I'm going to introduce the Combi, Space Saver Combi team with integrated hood. Top three features of this machine are the build quality. It's made for kitchen use. Obviously the built-in hood with the baffle system, foam, paper, charcoal, and two independently controlled cavities. You can turn one side off if you're in times when you don't need both cavities, you only need to use one, or you can have them both on. Again, integrated hood. 80% of all the controls or wiring is in the front, so you don't even, if there was an issue and needed a service call, you can just pull out the drawer and get the unit back up and running. Again, Space Saver Combi by Henny.